much. Chicago police have released new surveillance video.
Yeah, Tanya and Terrell, the video shows how the robbers...
All we need is unity. All we need is unity. Gotta make our way back together. Gotta be there for one another. It's time to make a change now. Chicago, put these guns down. All we need is unity in these streets.
With a woman who, as you said, claimed she was confronted.
Chicago police hope new surveillance video can help catch 4 men accused in a deadly shooting last weekend.
Gotta make our way back together. Gotta be there for one another. It's time to make a change now. Chicago, put these guns down. All we need is unity, and it's time to make a difference. It's time to make a change. It's time to switch gears, get back in our own lane. We gotta flip the switch, beat them at their own game. Put a stop to our own suffering, we don't wanna blame. It's powers in our numbers, just stop fighting one another. Let's put these guns down and stop killing our sisters and brothers. We kill each other over blocks and over streets, but can't come back together to fight for our communities. All we need is unity. All we need is unity.
State police earlier this morning who tell us they are still working to confirm whether that man may